Hello students, as we have a grammar assignment on 19th, that is on Tuesday. So in that I'm going to ask two lessons, that lesson number 9 and lesson number 10. So today and on Monday we will do some revision of lesson number 9 and lesson number 10. Okay, so open your grammar textbook, page number 54. That is the chapter lesson number 9. Things we are doing now. Things we are doing now. We use action words with ing to show that an action is going on now. Yes, as I already explained you that how we are making the sentence or how we are writing the verbs with ing by using is, am, are to show present continuous tense. That is things we are doing now. Yes, look here, some action words are there: reading, dancing, playing, crying, flying, twinkling. Yes, these all are what action words, like read, dance, play, and in that we are adding ing to show some activities or something is going on now at present. Yes, in that we have done some fill in the blank, like the monkey is eating a banana. In bracket, it is there. Just what we have to add ing in that verb or action word and use is, am, are. Now when we use is, when there is a singular noun. Only one name is there, or we are talking about a single thing. Yes, that is singular form. There we are using is, like monkey. Yes, monkey is only one animal we are talking about. So here we are using is. Same way when we use are, when there is they, we, or some plural forms of nouns like birds, they. Yes, where there we are using are. Yes, look here again, the man, singular noun, what we are using is, and in that word verb we are adding ing. Yes, the man is sitting under the tree. Yes, when we use am, when there is I. Yes, always use am with I. First one, I am wearing a coat. Yes, so this is clear for you when we are using am, when we are using is, and when we use are with verb. Yes, now look here, next page. Some activity is there going on now in this picture, and we have done this exercise with the help of this help box. Yes, now next exercise, write complete sentences. Yes, only two words are there, and just we have to add ing in that verb and is, am, are. It rained. So what will be the sentence? It is raining. Yes, he do his homework. So he, singular form, so is doing his homework. Yes, we learn English. We, again, more than one person we are talking about, plural form. So what we have to use? Are. We are learning English. Add ing in the verb. Yes, they run. Again, they, plural form. So are and run. In that verb we are going to add ing. So they are running. I go school. With I always use am. I am going to school. Now move to next page. We will revise some topics, and look here. We use am not, is not, are not plus ing forms of action words to show that an action is not going on now. If we want to make a sentence negative in the present form, so just what we have to do, just we have to add not after am or is or are, plus ing form of the action word. Yes. So look here. Are the children sleeping? No, the children are not sleeping. They are writing. Is the boy walking? No, the boy is not walking. He is running. Yes. Is the child crying? No, the child is not crying. The child is smiling. Yes. So just you have to revise and learn this lesson number 9. Okay. And on Monday session, I will do the revision work of lesson number 10. Okay, fine. So do your best and prepare yourself for the assignments. Okay. Thank you. Bye.